So let's talk about genograms. For you to do your genogram so that we can discuss in session. A genogram is nothing but it demonstrates patterns. It demonstrates if there's a problem between its members, or a healthy connection or not so healthy connection. It demonstrates all sorts of things just from a visual depiction of your family. It uses shapes and lines and colors and numbers, and you could be as creative as you want to be. You can use one color or you can use multiple colors, and each symbol represents something. So the square with the circle is female to male, and the circle with the square is male to female transgender. And that's important to note. And if you see a square and a circle, it symbolizes a married couple. The male is always on the left and the female is usually on the right. And then you have a line with two slanted lines going across it that represents divorce, and a slanted line to the left represents separation, and an X through the line represents widowed. And then you have the jagged line for a conflictual relationship. Double jagged line is sexual abuse, and the scattered line with the arrow is neglect. Again, male, female. Triangle is pregnant. Twins are a circle and a square. And deceased is an X through it. These numbers represent age. Sometimes you can put the age of the person that died or just the age that they are currently. There is also a symbol for adopted. And as you can see here, it's symbolizing various relationships, conflicts between fathers and daughters, and brothers and sisters, husbands and wives. The X's represent who died and what age they were when they died. Again, you could put the birth year outside of the circle or the square if you like, to indicate when the person died. And sometimes you could put the birth year and the death year. And you can even put your legend right here on your genogram so that you could check it periodically to make sure that you're following your legend. And here I just use different colors. I use blue for male and green for female. The only exception was the center circle. It always has a double circle that represents you. So always want to have a starting point that represents who you are on your genogram. And you want to make sure that you go up from you and then go down from you, so that you're the centralized person here. And you want to get as many generations as you can. This one actually depicts 4 generations. As we move up, you see 1, 2, 3, and all the way up at the top is generation 4, the 4th generation. So it's really good to see 4 generations. A lot of people can do 3, which is very much acceptable. If you could do 5, that's marvelous. But you want to ask people in your family, trusted members, about information to help you. So I hope this has been helpful to you, and I look forward to talking to you about your genogram so we can discuss your family dynamic, the relationships, the positive and the not so positive relationships. And this will help you to learn more about who you are. So I look forward to seeing your genogram. Remember, we're not searching for perfection. We just want you to get it down and do the best you can do. See you soon.